RLHF. Reinforcement learning from human feedback. Here you go. Same structured format for RLHF. Reinforcement learning from human feedback. RLHF. Reinforcement learning from human feedback. In artificial intelligence, advanced means expert alignment and LLM training. Introduction. Modern AI systems, especially large language models, LLMs, need to do more than just generate text. They must be helpful, safe, aligned with human values. Pure training on data is not enough to achieve this. This is where RLHF, reinforcement learning from human feedback, comes in. RLHF helps AI systems learn from human preferences to improve behavior. What is RLHF? RLHF, reinforcement learning from human feedback, is a technique where AI models are trained using feedback from humans to improve their outputs. In simple terms, RLHF equals AI learning from human feedback to behave better. Example concept. Model output means human feedback means improved model behavior. Why RLHF is important? RLHF is important because it aligns AI with human values, improves response quality, reduces harmful outputs, enhances user experience. Without RLHF, model means raw output means unsafe or irrelevant responses. Key components of RLHF. 1. Base model, pre-trained model, initial model trained on large data. Example, GPT-like models. 2. Human feedback, humans evaluate model outputs. Example, response A, response B. Better answer. 3. Reward model, learns to score outputs based on human preferences. Example, good response means high reward. Bad response means low reward. 4. Reinforcement learning, optimize model using reward signals. Goal, maximize reward. RLHF architecture. Key layers. 1. Pre-trained model, initial language understanding. 2. Feedback collection, human evaluations. 3. Reward model, predicts human preference. 4. Policy optimization, improves model behavior. 5. Final model, aligned AI system. Core concept, reinforcement objective. The model is optimized to maximize expected reward. Checkmark. The model learns to generate outputs that humans prefer. How RLHF works. Workflow. Train base model. Down pointing arrow. Generate responses. Down pointing arrow. Humans rank responses. Down pointing arrow. Train reward model. Down pointing arrow. Optimize model with RL. Down pointing arrow. Aligned AI system. Example. Conceptual. Def RLHF _model. Response. If response equals helpful. Return high reward. Return low reward. Print. RLHF _model. Helpful. RLHF training process. Step 1. Pre-training. Train on large text data. Step 2. Supervised fine-tuning. SFT. Train with human written examples. Step 3. Reward model training. Learn human preferences. Step 4. Reinforcement learning. PPO. Optimize model. Popular algorithms in RLHF. 1. PPO. Proximal policy optimization. Stable RL optimization. 2. Policy gradient methods. Update model policy. 3. Reward modeling. Learn scoring function. Real-world applications of RLHF. Chatbots. Safer and more helpful responses. Virtual assistants. Better user interaction. Content moderation. Reduce harmful outputs. Code generation. Improve accuracy and usability. Education AI. Personalized and safe tutoring. Advantages of RLHF. Advantages include: aligns AI with human values, improves response quality, reduces harmful outputs, enhances user experience, enables safe deployment. Example concept. RLHF means aligned AI means better user experience. Challenges of RLHF. Challenges include expensive human feedback, bias in human preferences, reward model limitations, training complexity, scalability issues. RLHF versus traditional training. Traditional training learns from data. RLHF learns from human feedback. Comparison. Traditional means data-driven. RLHF means human-guided. Best practices. Use diverse human feedback. Reduce bias. Improve reward models. Better alignment. Monitor outputs. Ensure safety. Combine with other techniques. Fine-tuning plus safety filters. Iterate continuously. Improve performance. Future of RLHF. Future trends include automated feedback systems, scalable alignment techniques, improved reward modeling, integration with AI agents, safer generative AI. Example concept. Future AI means aligned with human values. Concepts learned from RLHF. Understanding RLHF helps learners understand. Checkmark how AI aligns with human values. Checkmark how reinforcement learning works in practice. Checkmark how LLMs are improved after training. Checkmark how to build safe AI systems. Checkmark how human feedback shapes AI. Simple definition. RLHF. Reinforcement learning from human feedback. A method where AI learns from human feedback to produce better and safer outputs. Final summary. RLHF is a critical technique for aligning AI systems with human expectations. It combines machine learning, human feedback, reinforcement learning. RLHF plays a key role in building safe AI systems, helpful assistance, responsible AI technologies.